Hi, if you're considering a BBL light treatment or a Moxi laser treatment, what precautions should you take for your pre-care and your aftercare? These are phenomenal machines that help us to improve the texture of your skin. The BBL, particularly broadband light, targets reds in the skin like little broken blood vessels around the nose and cheeks and chin, and it targets flushing and blushing, it targets inflammation and acne and rosacea, and it's used to improve the texture and tone of the skin. And you can reduce pigmentation with it, like age spots and signs of sun damage. This is a Moxi, which is a very specific laser wavelength that is amazing for rejuvenation of the skin. And again, this targets particularly water in the cells. So it goes through the skin layer, and that laser energy is really focused, and essentially it's putting light, which is then translated into heat in the skin and causing a very tiny controlled damage to help stimulate collagen and repair the skin and improve signs of sun damage and aging. With both of these machines, you've got to be careful with your sun exposure, both beforehand and afterwards. So we say no hot sun exposure, like a trip to Portugal or the Canaries, 2 weeks either side of it. Also, we recommend you don't use fake tan products for at least 10 days beforehand. And I was playing paddle at the weekend and I put on some fake tan, not to startle my opponents with my ghostly white arms and legs. And you can see all my age spots have come up darker temporarily, and they'll settle down when the fake tan wears off. But if I targeted laser or light energy on those, they'll absorb more heat and I could risk causing a burn. So anything like fake tan, wait till it's completely gone before we target the skin. We want your skin to be nice and calm. We don't want cold sores or active infected eczema. We want your skin to be in good nick, and then we're really safe to go ahead with these treatments. And as long as we're cautious with sun exposure, they're absolutely fine to do during our Irish sun. But your two biggest things are your sun exposure and fake tan, as we're great fans of fake tan. The other things you want to do is not use your active ingredients like exfoliants or retinoids, vitamin A products, or also vitamin C for a few days either side of it. And you wouldn't go and have a treatment like this and then go to a hot sauna. We want to get the heat energy into the skin, then take it out and let your skin settle over the following days. We've all our details below if you'd like to get in touch with any questions. Take care, bye.